Hello everybody. Again, my camera stopped working and I don't know why. Anyway, I was saying that the lace shows and you can colour that lace. You can use your powder, you can use your foundation. If you've been watching the videos on here, there's so many options that you can pick up by watching the videos. Anyway, so yeah, this is Aaliyah. And I like her, really like her. So as you can see, when you're just watching, I had on Bobbi Boss. Bobbi Boss is darker. It might be about the same length, but Bobbi Boss, all of the wig runs under. Even though I try to flick it outwards, but this one is made to flick outwards. But yeah, I do like this. So this is her. To be honest with you, I don't always glue down my wigs. I'm just going to position it like that. I don't even think, yeah, you can pull it off quite easy. You can pull it off if you tugged really hard. But if you're worried about slippage, I would use the clips, these kind of clips, hair clips, and just put a couple in just to secure it between the wig and your hair cap. And if not, if you do have hair between the wig and the hair, should hold with these. If for whatever reason that you don't have hair, maybe let me see what I've got here. You can use the got to be glued to stick it down, which will hold. Or I think a lot of people are now using this bed head, which I haven't tried. But I suppose there's many options. There's also wig glue as well. But yes, I'm really liking it. Very nice. The colour suits me. The style suits me. And there's not really much you can do, it's just put on and it's done. It's not as layered as I usually like. I do like lots of layers, but still, I mean, this is nice. I still like it and I can still get away with it, I think. Well, yes, I can, I believe so. It does suit me. So this is Aaliyah. I'll probably play with her a little bit more. See how she looks parted differently. And I'll show you my left, my right, and the back. And there she is. The parting, I'm just looking at the parting. You can't see the sculpt anyway, but maybe, let me have a look. I'm just looking in the monitor to see if I can do it like this. No, not for me. But you can play around with it. It's your hair. Do what you like. But the colour, here you go. Let me just show you the sculpt. It looks like mine. It looks like it's growing out of my head. Very realistic looking. The hair texture is very nice as well. Could be like you've either taken your own hair and put a hot comb through it. It does feel really nice. It's highlighted nicely. It's kind of golden brown with some black, and there's a few colours going through this, but it's very nice. I might have to pin it back. Just going to tuck it behind my ear, see how that looks. So there she is, Alia, from wigoutlet.com, and right now it's on at $205 US, 95 cents. But yeah, very nice. So I hope you like my little unboxing, and as I said, I'm coming on here because I don't see black women reviewing or wearing these wigs on YouTube. They may be wearing them, but I thought let me come on and just show you how they look, and what I think. And like I say, I think the higher end price wigs are much better quality, but whether they last as long as the lower end price wigs, I don't know, but it's up to you. But up to you to try if you want to, obviously. But thank you. One more thing before I go, just want to show you my comb. I got this from Amazon. I think they're only like £2 or $2 for these wig combs. It's better to use these because this is like a fibre, it's not real hair. It's better to use this type of comb to comb this type of fibre, so your wigs will last you at least a few months. Okay, anyway, thank you for watching, and God bless you. And any questions, please ask down below. Anyway, and I'll see you next time, hopefully with another high-end wig. And also I'll do a comparison kind of thing. I'll be wearing a lower end type wig and showing you a higher end type wig. Thank you very much for watching. God bless you, and see you soon. Bye bye.